welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Luvwin for sponsoring this video and sending over this gorgeous gray wig. It is so beautiful. It is glueless. It did come with some curls in it, but I went ahead and re-curled it. It's serving, okay? Oh my gosh, it's so freaking beautiful. I look like a natural gray-headed woman, okay? Love this wig, love the texture, love how it's holding these curls together. Oh my gosh. It's absolutely stunning. If you guys want to see me install this glueless wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install. We got another Luvwin wig review. All right, so first you get this cute little pouch. The pouch has a rat tail comb, some lashes, a melting band, an edge wrap, and some wig caps. Fully equipped, okay? Then we have our salt and pepper wig. So this is a glueless wig, you guys. So inside we have 4 combs for extra security. We also have our elastic band that is adjustable. We have lots of lace inside, so you can do a middle part, side part. I think it's in like a side part right now, but the hair feels really, really nice. It's nice and thick. This is giving natural gray. I love this color. This is giving fierce. Oh, this is a glueless wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this glueless, but I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and comb these hairs back. But as you can see, like the lace is blending in with my hand. You can barely even see the lace. But I'm going to comb these hairs back. Let's get into it. Let's see what this wig is giving. Alright, you guys, so I finished installing this wig. It came out so pretty. Do you see this? And it's glueless still. And it's glueless still, y'all. It came out so pretty. I put some little fluffy, what's it called? Some fluffy baby hairs in. But it came out really, really cute. I did put some foundation powder on the lace. Maybe, actually, I'm gonna put some more on my little part right here. So yeah, I got some foundation on the parting. I put some on the perimeter as well, just so it could blend in with my hairline a little bit more. But it came out really, really nice. This hair holds a curl beautifully. Absolutely beautiful. I love the texture of this hair. It's like coarse, like thick, coarse. I don't know, I like it. It's giving African American texture. I just love it. Blends well. I like it a lot. Very, very flat to my head, which I love. Yes, I love it. This is giving like a natural gray, or if you're just a girly that likes a gray little switch up, definitely get this. Anybody could wear this one. This is for the aged ladies, this is for the younger ladies, this is for all of us, okay? But it's so freaking pretty. Let me show you guys the back one more time so you can see it with like the curls combed out. Yeah, so this is the wig, you guys. It is beautiful. It's glueless. Once you like style it and mold it, you could just take it off and put it right back on real easy with no problem. Fast, quick, and easy install, okay? And look at these curls. Aren't they so pretty? I love it. The hairline blends in really, really good. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I will have the link to this wig in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Again, one more time, it is glueless, you guys. Glueless, no glue on this wig. Make sure you guys check them out. All the information will be in the description box below. Make sure you guys drop a comment below. Tell me how you guys like this. Is this giving natural gray? Is this giving... Tell me what it's giving down below. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Thank you again, Luvwin, for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.